65 million years ago, mammals occupied the fringes of the animal kingdom. The world belonged to the dinosaurs. Our ancestors were tiny, scurrying creatures living in the physical shadows of apex predators. That status quo ended when a city-sized piece of rock slammed into the planet. The kinetic violence annihilated everything in its immediate path. The lethal blow arrived in the following weeks. Massive dust clouds choked the atmosphere and blocked the sun. Global temperatures plummeted, plants died, and the Earth's food web collapsed, wiping out 95% of all life. For the giant reptiles, massive size became a fatal biological flaw. They could not find enough calories to survive. The small mammals that made up the surviving 5% had an advantage. They retreated underground to escape the surface conditions, surviving on insects and ants. The destruction of the dinosaurs served as an ecological reset. With the apex predators gone, these subterranean mammals inherited a blank slate planet, free of the creatures that had pinned their lineage down for 100 million years. Over the next 10 million years, the Earth recovered. By 55 million years ago, mammals rapidly evolved to fill the empty ecological niches. Some climbed into the forest canopies, developing into primates with 4 legs and forward-facing eyes to navigate the branches. While those primates adapted to the trees, the Indian tectonic plate drifted northward and collided with the Asian continent. Millions of tons of rock ground together in a slow-motion collision. This pressure buckled the Earth's crust to form the Himalayan mountain range, pushing peaks like Everest miles into the sky. This wall of rock physically altered global atmospheric currents. It changed weather patterns and created new river systems, redirecting water flow across the continent. As the distribution of moisture shifted, global forests began to shrink. The thinning canopies forced tree-dwelling mammals down to the expanding open grasslands. The shape of our ancestors' bodies followed the changes in the ground. A distant mountain range altered the weather, steering our evolutionary path through the physical reshaping of the planet's surface. 40 million years ago, a new geographical bottleneck emerged. The East African Rift formed, creating a mountain range that blocked moisture-carrying winds from the Indian Ocean. Deprived of rain, the dense African jungles vanished. They were replaced by vast exposed landscapes consisting of scattered trees and tall grasses. Apes like Ardipithecus ramidus lost their arboreal homes and moved across the open ground. To travel between distant food sources and spot predators over the tall savanna grass, they began walking upright on 2 legs. Standing bipedally emerged as a desperate biological adaptation, a bodily hack required to survive the geographic transition of the rift ecosystem. An upright posture completely freed the hands. By the time Homo habilis emerged, those hands were manipulating the environment, striking stones to create sharp, functional tools. Homo erectus built on this, using tools to coordinate group hunts and eventually learning to capture and control fire. Applying heat to meat breaks down tough proteins and softens plant fibers before they ever enter the body. This chart compares the energy budget of early hominids to modern humans. Early hominids dedicated massive energy strictly to digestion. Cooking outsourced this work. As energy required to break down food decreased, the body redirected that surplus upward, fueling an explosion in brain size. Fire functioned as an external stomach. By pre-digesting calories, it provided the metabolic fuel necessary for the cranial expansion that made higher intelligence possible. 200,000 years ago, the large-brained Homo sapiens underwent a final physical shift. The vocal cords and surrounding voice box evolved into a specialized structure. This unique anatomy allowed for the production of a vast range of controlled sounds. We began to articulate distinct syllables, creating the foundation for sophisticated language. That adaptation moved our species from biological evolution into societal evolution. Language allowed humans to share ideas, pass knowledge across generations, and coordinate in massive groups that built the first civilizations. Our species relies on a biological flexibility forged through millions of years of global disasters and narrow escapes. Humanity is the result of the Earth's violent geological history, the physical evidence of a changing planet. Because the tectonic plates continue to shift today, Our evolution remains an active, ongoing process.